Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about an error message, service battery charging system, of Chevy Malibu and how to overcome this problem. If you see the service battery charging message on your Chevy Malibu on the dash, the battery is not being charged correctly. And your car needs maintenance soon. So, in this video, we have pointed out possible reasons for this issue and solutions you can try. Reason 1. Battery issues. The problem might occur if you have a problem with your service battery charging system. In this case, the battery must get tested and ensure the exact voltage. Reason 2. Alternator problem. If your alternator is not working correctly, it can cause the battery to lose power too quickly. For this issue, if you find the alternator is dropping below 12 volts, then it needs to be replaced. Reason 3. Battery cables and connections. It might happen if you have a problem with the battery cable and connections. To fix this, you need to find any damaged cables, loose connections, etc. If found any, replace them. Reason 4. Broken wire. As a result, the system cannot charge the battery properly. In this case, you might have to replace the battery. We are hopeful that now you can make the necessary decision for the solution.